This is Brina's first time with a milk bottle. Her and Bella have been going back and forth all morning with it. Oh, look at you with it in your mouth. How are you gonna get it out from under there? Oh, hey, Brina. Brina, you're just gonna give up? Get it by his handle. Good girl. Good girl, Bree. What a good girl. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Bree. No more? Bree, let me see you run out here. Bree, come here. Bree. Oh, that's Bella.
Hi, Bella.
Oh, hi, Bree. Look at the little puppy.
Bree. Hello. Bree, are you okay? Oh, look at that baby.
Bree, what's that? That's the big Bella. God, she's so much bigger. But now Bree can't even squeeze under there anymore.
Yeah.
After one day, she can't fit under there. Bree, where'd you go?
You're right here.
I'm video recording it. Bree.
To the bathroom.
Bree. Hey, there's Belle. Look at that big face, huh? And I got it going sideways. Hi, honey. Hi. You're so beautiful. Bree. 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 Brina. 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 Oh, you silly dog. Brina.
Right. Come.
Brina. 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 Come here, Bree.
Okay, hang on, Bella. Back in panic, bro.
Brina. Come here, Bree. Hi, honey, hi. And that's how you're going to end it? That's how you're going to end the video? So bye-bye, as you're ripping my pants apart. Hey, that's it. Oh.